Alright guys, welcome. It's 3rd of October 2003. Right, so this is our setup that we saw today, guys. Now when you're trading, you want to make your setup as easy as possible, right? Do not complicate your setup. So we are here on Volatility 250. As you can see, I mark out my highs and my lows. Here we have our last low, I call it the base. Right, we have here, as you can see, we're trading from our phone. Most persons will say you can't trade from your phone. Guys, you can trade from a laptop, a tablet, and your phone. The technology is there. Don't complicate it. If you're trading with fancy indicators, you're complicating your trade, guys. You don't need to complicate it more than it is. Alright, so let's get right into this video. Alright, so what I like to do, I like to mark off my last two higher lows going down. The low, I call it the base. Here, as you can see, we have a change of character right here, and price pulled back. I brought out my fib tool. Right, as you can see, I'm looking for my golden zone. So price came into my golden zone, but just because price came into my golden zone, I had to wait for my confirmations. Right, so I got my confirmation. Price did not break the base, so I should have entered in my golden zone. But guys, to be honest, I woke up a little late this morning, and this was where I saw my entry, so I took it because the trade was going in my direction. Alright, so as you can see, price just hit first take profit. As you can see, we have equal lows over here, a triple top. So price just took out triple top, and we're looking for price to go all the way up, as you can see here. Right, so when you're trading, my friends, do not complicate your trading. Do not make it difficult. Trading is as hard as it already is. Make trading and your strategy very, very simple, because the easier it is to figure out, the easier it is to know what to do. Right, if you want to do this kind of trading, let me know, reach out to me. Right, I'm here to help you guys, because that's what we are all here for. Right, so do not complicate your trading, and if you don't get your setup, it's just another day out for you guys to go and practice what you need to know. Do not chase the market. So we're trading in the volatility market or the VIX market. I really love this market because it holds a lot of structure. You can get trades every week, and it's pretty consistent, especially if you have a good strategy or if you have an edge. Now, if you're trading and you don't have an edge, that can be a big problem. Right, you must have a system or strategy that covers all the risk to reward, the wins, the loss, and you guys are happy with what you make and what you lose. Most persons are not contented with what they make and what they lose, so they do a lot of setup hopping, meaning they will trade one setup, doesn't work for a week, they change. Or even if they do make profit from it, they keep changing it because they're not happy with the risk to reward. Right, so if you're interested in these simple setups that make money, don't complicate it, just let me know. Reach out to me. We have a Telegram group that we give more in-depth information, and we're here to help each other, guys. Alright.